Now I want to show you around the beach area here at Bangrak. This is right outside of the shore, the small hotel we've been staying at for the last two plus months. I'll pan around here a little bit and show you. So this is on the north side of Koh Samui. So this would be facing east. Over in that direction you see the piers. That's where you can take the ferries over to Koh Samui. You see some of the boats out in the bay right now, and maybe you can catch a little glimpse of Big Buddha way over there. Unfortunately, we've had pretty bad weather the last pretty much week. We left Koh Samui last Monday, and we've had a lot of heavy rain for about the last week. However, the good thing is today there's no rain. You can see how calm the water is, but it's still a little darker than usual because of all the rain. And unfortunately, the beach isn't in the best shape. You look up here, you can see some of the beach erosion from how far up the waves were. And normally it doesn't come up nearly this far. Again, like I said, we had a lot of heavy rain for the last week. So it definitely took a toll on the beach. And I'll pick things up here as I get a little closer to some of the other resorts. Okay, so I'm about 50 meters down the beach from the shore, and this is called Shore Samui. It's a relatively newer high-end beach club and restaurant, and actually on the other side of the main road they do have some hotel rooms. And then just past it is called the Prana Resort, and they have some beachfront villas, and they also have a hotel across the street. Both of these places have pools. Now, Shore, I think you can, we never actually went there. We walked past it 100 times. But I think they actually, you can do like a day pass. You know, you buy drinks or whatever and just hang out there. And then here at Prana, you see the nice infinity pool right here overlooking the ocean. And then a little further up is a really good restaurant called Tropicana. And they have pretty good food. It's a little pricier than normal, but sometimes you pay a little extra for the view and a little higher end. And we'll pick up here just a little further down the beach. Our last stop as we walk along Bangrak Beach is a little area about 50 meters past Prada and Tropicana. This is called Kin Ho. Have a little restaurant, a very relaxing shady tree with our dog that we see every day, and a small bar. And as I started, you see a little massage place. It's very quiet during the day. Doesn't look like there's any customers here today at this time. But usually in the evening, this place livens up. And if you want good, authentic, local Thai food at a very reasonable price, this is definitely the place you want to come on the beach. But we're going to check in here a little bit later and show you around the street area of Bangrak, show you the restaurants and some of the businesses that we've been frequenting for the last 2 months. So we'll check in here a little bit. Bye for now. Okay, so now we're going to do a quick little walking tour of the area on Bangrak, the main road close to the shore. We'll start at the corner at the landmark 7-Eleven. If you know anything about Thailand, you know that there's 7-Elevens. Can't go too far without seeing one. And this one actually has 3 different bank ATMs, so if you need money, this is a good spot. And here is the famous O-Mart liquor. They have a very great selection of imported wines and liquors. They even have Tito's vodka from Texas, which was interesting to see. And they even have a section of imported foods. Overall, I think their prices are really pretty reasonable considering the majority of the stuff in here is imported. About 30 meters past O-Mart, you see La Serene and G&G Scooter and Car Rental. There you see our little red Yamaha Falano that we rented and drove around the island. They actually have the best pad CU that I've had since I've been in Thailand. Very good local Thai food, and they also have some French food and European dishes. Very, very tasty, and cheap scooter rentals, and also good price on car rental if you happen to need a car. Now the famous The Dog House Sports Bar and Grill. We came here many nights to watch soccer games and shoot pool. They're closed this afternoon. It's a Tuesday, but they tend to show all different major sporting events. Then the next, as we continue along, is a little place called Papa Joe. Decent food, decent price, but the biggest thing there is it's very hot. There's no air that moves around in there, so if it's humid and warm, it's going to be very humid and warm in here. And the last little place in this section of Bangrak is La Fabrique French Bakery. And I come here every once in a while and get a pain au chocolat and an Americano for Arzina. So this is kind of a little treat for us. And we'll stop here and show you the rest here in a bit. Okay, about 30 meters down on the opposite side of the road is Rang Thong Motorbike and Car Rental. And they also basically have a taxi service. So you see the number on the little sign there. You can always contact them for taxi service. And then there's another motorbike place next to the shore, which you've seen all around the shore by now. And then one of our favorite restaurants is called Haveli. If you like Indian food, they honestly have some of the very best Indian food that we've ever had. Then right next door is Siri Kanchana Beauty Salon, where Arzina goes and gets, maybe you can see her in there. Hi, kitty. Arzina's in there getting her hair done right now. And then next to it is a little place called Oops Bar. Fun little place to get a few drinks and maybe dance around a little bit in the evening time. And the last little place here is called Noi Friendly. This is a place we eat at least 7 times a week, whether it's lunch or dinner. At least one time a day we're over here at Noi. Oh, and then last but certainly not least is called Bangrak Cafe. They're only open for breakfast and lunch, but they have really, really good even local Thai food, but they kind of specialize in British food. They do traditional fish and chips and a lot of British foods, full English breakfast, and it's just basically some of the street and neighborhood in the Bangrak Beach area of Koh Samui. So we'll check in and finish up with our tour of the shore, but that's it for now. Good morning. We're here at the shore in Samui on the north side of the island of Koh Samui. Arzina, do you want to show everybody around the room?
Okay, come on in. So as you come in, you will see that this is a pretty decent sized room. We have a really nice bed. It was actually very comfortable, and with the side lamps, decoration is great. There's an AC there, it works fantastic. What I also love, we both love this, is these little bags that they give you with 2 beach towels, and of course enjoy the little things in life, right? And then as you pivot around, there's little good storage here, 2 drawer storage, TV, which we've never used. We've been here for 2 months. And then the bathroom. Go ahead, David.
Okay, so you have a nice big shower with a rainfall and a handheld unit. Plenty of counter space. And then a toilet, of course, with your hose to wash up afterwards. Again, like Arzina said, actually the TV does work. We turned it on, but everything's in Thai, so we don't really watch the TV.
And then this area with the closet. This is a huge closet that we found to work out really well for us.
Of course, you have your safe.
And then it also came with 3 drawers and ample space for hanging clothes.
Yeah, plenty of room.
Plenty of room.
And then this is not a standard room. This is actually the biggest room in the shore. And this actually has a separate room. So in here we have the refrigerator, full-size refrigerator, a little table with your coffee maker, coffee cups, glasses. Here you see the view. It looks like maybe the sun might actually come out this morning. And even though this looks like our own private pool, it is a community pool, but there's only 10 rooms here, so it's very small. And we only saw like 2 or 3 other people swimming in it the whole time we were here. Most people do tend to hang out at the beach.
And this balcony opens up to the pool, so it does feel like our own little private pool.
Private little area. So there you see how calm it is. A little cloudy over there, but we've had nothing but rain for the last 8 days. There you see Pa over there. We'll show you his room here in just a minute. And then we'll finish up here. So plenty of privacy with the curtains, and then we have this nice couch and big coffee table. So this is where either myself or Arzina would always teach our English lessons online, sitting on this couch and looking at this view. Not bad for the last 2 months. Certainly nothing to complain about. So we're gonna pause for a second, and then we'll move over and show you Pa's room. Okay, so now we're here with Pa. Say good morning.
Good morning.
It's a little bit early. We're leaving for our next destination today. So Pa, tell them a little bit about where you've been for the last 9 weeks.
Yeah, we have been in 106 in front of the beach. It's a, you can see one window of mine. The moment I open the window, I see the beach. Two months and 10 days I've been here. I've been enjoying this place, really.
So this is the
really great.
This is the view from Pa's room. It's literally the room that's closest to the sand in all of Bangrak.
That's right.
So you see nice big king size bed, window that opens. Yeah.
Look at this window. This window, if you open it, if you hear it.
Yes, just
you can hear it's very calm, but you can hear the gentle waves.
Yeah. Very comfortable
very quiet
bed.
And very nice.
Again, TV, all Thai channels, refrigerator, little kind of closet area with a cupboard,
boiler and everything.
Water, heater, glass, and then your standard bathroom with your toilet.
Very nice, very comfortable.
Nice counter space, and then a shower. This one only has a handheld unit, but the water pressure is good and it stays very warm. So we're again, it's pretty early on Wednesday morning, and we're going to be heading out to the airport soon to our next destination. So as we show you one final view of the beautiful beach here, a banger. Oh, the little hammock, and you see some of the
They gave me a very comfortable, relaxing.
Yeah, the little lounge chair.
Yeah, each of these rooms come with a little rack too, so when you're done with swimming and everything, you can put your stuff out to dry.
Yeah, hang your towel, your bathing suit and everything. So, as we show you one final shot of Bangrak Beach before we head to our next destination, we'll sign off by saying live more,
laugh more,
love more,
travel more.